Greetings and salutations. This is Carla from MooreTalkJa, aka Carla Hendricks for the moment. Big up naturally you for my braids. I just keep on giving. And it's Valentine's Day, also known as Singles Awareness Day, also known as Corporate Love Day, also known as I really can't believe that them really just left me this morning, so I forgot to do this alone day, also known as Try Not to Drunk Text Your Ex Day, also known as Try to Avoid Love Songs and most things on the TV because they're just going to make you want to cry if you're single day, aka Why Is Everything Made in Couple Size Right Now, I just want one fish for buy for myself day, aka Please Do Not Wear Red and White lest people mistake you for somebody who actually believes in this garbage day, aka We're So in Love Day, Valentine's Day. So today I thought that I would make a list of all of the loves that I think people should want. I hope that it will upload by the end of Valentine's Day because I want to know that my internet is way and family funny. So it's not what you think. I'm not gonna talk about Romeo and Juliet and all of them things. Anyway, when we start talking, we'll understand. Alright, so we make a list of them. You should wish for somebody who loves you like Kanye loves Kanye. Boo, boo, boo. That's all over the internet. Wish for somebody who loves you like Kanye loves Kim K. Him wait 7 years for her. As in she tell him no, we shall never dare. And the man sit down there in our friendship for 7 years. Now that's either very scary or it's the most romantic thing I've ever heard. The jury's still out. Wish for someone who loves you like Reverend love Justine. Yo, when you ever go on Reverend on Instagram yet? Hey, let me tell you something. The man love her like stew peas love spinners. Every day the man just posts a picture of her and tell you how amazing she is. And it's like him keep him the picture of she in front time for a man. Him say him just for love her and just have no one like nobody else. Me never see a love like this in a real life, in a my whole life. Live for somebody who love you like Jesus love the little children. Because that their love there is long suffering and it can encompass a whole heap of things. Wait for somebody who love you like fat kids love cake. If you have ever been a fat kid or been in the presence of a fat kid, then you know that we really like cake. Like the other day I made this pineapple upside down cake. Cake done man the next day. Anyways, that wasn't me. My family has fat kid tendencies, even though the rest of them are skinny. Wait for somebody who love you like puss love teeth. Somebody who love you like teeth love long bag. Somebody who love you like shabarangs love because you know it make him happy, it make him sad, it have a owner but it don't wear a tag. Wait for somebody who love you like I still love Coco. That man love that girl. That man talk about that girl every opportunity he can. He put up a picture of her every opportunity he can. And the more our body expand, is the more the love expand. Which simply mean that if somebody like you or like love you like how I love Coco, if you put on weight, then love just like increase. Wait for somebody who love you like how power love go away. No, power love go away. Wait, this is a third world thing. If you're living in the first world, you not understand this. Wait for somebody who love you like how power love go away. Wait for somebody who love you like how rain love fall when you just wash your car. Wait for somebody who love you like how rain love fall when you put clothes pan line. Cause you know say that love there is what? Dependable and consistent. It don't change. Wait for somebody who love you like how uptown people love say you're good, right? Mwah, mwah, you're good, right? Don't go on like you never do it. Wait for somebody who love you like how ghetto people love clap them out. Yeah, supposed to all of them something there. Wait for somebody who love you like how cornmeal porridge love papa and bun people. You ever cook cornmeal porridge yet? And the papa and bun, let me tell you, like the whole circle of skin just lift off. You're done for the day and they're done for the day. Yeah. Wait for somebody who love you like how broke pocket people love big. Why broke pocket people can't keep them broke pocketness to themselves? Them always want to share it. Don't share your broke pocketness. Keep it to yourself. Keep the nickels and dimes what you have in your pocket to yourself. Yeah, broke pocket people only if you aspire for having no money in US. Wait for somebody who love you like how rich people love no pay. I saw rich people stay rich, you know. Them not pay no bill. And when them pay, them don't pay on time. That is the key to staying rich. Don't pay. Beg everything and expect to get it for free. Love people. Wait for somebody who love you like how Beyonce love blonde weave. Because everybody know that Beyonce has been a blonde for years and years and years right now. Wait for somebody who love you like how tough footback people love wear tights. People with tough footback, when they call them love wear tights. Wait for somebody who love you like people with cellulite love wear shorts. Me miss? From the other day, me just in a everything shorts. Me walk up and down like the wedgie and it nah bother me, yeah. And the cellulite, everything just a jiggle one time. I don't care. Wait for somebody who love you like how Pitney love weekend. You know when Friday evening come and them just know say when them fly whichever car door them a come out right now or jump off of whichever bus or walk up in the yard. no homework not for going right now. That love there, that love the work you just want go home to them. Yeah, wait for the love there. Wait for somebody who love you like how natural hair people love shea butter. Oh no, the natural hair girl them coconut oil and shea butter, that's all them want to about. Wait for somebody who love you like people in a breakup love Tony Braxton, because Tony Braxton is the soundtrack for every breakup where it happened anytime in the 1990s to early 2000s. Unbreak my heart and all of them something there. It's like 7 whole days and not a word from you, and you all are singing 7 whole nights. All them something there. Yeah, wait for somebody who love you like how people in a breakup love K Michelle. Like if you have a breakup in the 2015 era right now, a K Michelle you want to talk about, because K Michelle is all about you got the right. Once you're ready for that, slash your tires and like acid you on them something there. Wait for somebody who love you like how people in a relationship love get advice. You ever notice that people in a relationship, them love tell you about your life, everything them know. Why you think? Because you have a partner smarter than everybody, because you did smart enough to net somebody. Now you're smart enough to run my life. No, thank you. Wait for somebody who love you like how people who single love your relationship advice. Me not understand that. People who are single love look upon you in your good relationship and tell you maybe if you did know of Anglo relationship, you wouldn't single right now. Yes, I'm petting my hair. Alan Nicki Minaj. That's anomalous. Me never reach no further. When me did use one of them, wait for somebody love you like how Stupies love spinners. Yeah, but listen. Valentine's Day, it's just another day, but you know, it's a day that has a lot of corporate backing, so why can't we enjoy it? If you're single, go out and have fun with your friend them. Get all of your best looking single friends and go out and run the road red. If you want to, just walk past all of the couples and make the women slightly uncomfortable because you're hotter than them. If you're a man, do the same thing. If you're in a couple, make sure that you go out looking better than the single girls, so you're sitting there and your partner cannot even dare to look at anybody else because you are so fine right now. If you're going through a heartbreak, my heart is there with you, because it is a horrible time to be going through a heartbreak. If you have a relationship that didn't work out, the one thing that I can say to you is do not give up. It's a horrible moment for you. Don't give up on the idea of love, right? Love is always worth it. I'm one of those people who, I don't think I'm a loveaholic, but I have a very audacious hope where it comes down to love. So please do not let 1 or 2 or 10 or 15 heartbreaks let you stop believing in love. Change whatever you need to change about yourself so that you stop attracting the type of people who will hurt you. And have faith, because people are flawed. But don't let bad experiences be the end all be all. Don't let that be the last word that you have on love. If you are somebody who has lost love in another way, in a more permanent way, not because of a breakup, my heart is also with you. Keep on holding, and eventually the pain will subside. For my people who are in love right now, because I know nobody wants to talk to you on Valentine's Day, because the whole corporate world is talking to you, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Support your partner. Hope that your partner support you. Open up your heart and let down your guard, because love does not work any other way. If you cannot be vulnerable and learn to apologize, it does not work. And forgive. Forgive often, forgive freely, and forgive yourself. Otherwise, okay, this is, I said all of the cool kids that do that. So my heart, love, whatever other things. Listen, I love you all. Thank you for watching my videos. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Hendrix says, bye-bye.